What's going on, everybody? Today I'll be walking you through installing some M3 front lower control arms on my E92 335i. These arms are a direct fit for all rear-wheel drive non-M3 series of this generation. These arms notably improve turn-in and steering feel. Let's get into it. The two arms that need changing is the front lower control arm here and this organically shaped front tension strut. The subframe side of the front lower control arm features a sealed monoball bearing that allow the inner part of the control arm to rotate more freely compared to the plain rubber bushing on the non-M arm. On the other arm, the tension strut features a solid rubber bushing which reduces deflection by ditching the hydro bushing design used in the non-M cars. The rubber bushing is stiffer, which tightens the front end up without compromising ride quality. With the stock bushing being fluid-filled, it has a tendency to fail after a slight tear begins, which is what one of my arms had already done. To remove the arms from the knuckle side, you can use a T40 Torx to counterhold the stud of the ball joint while you loosen the nut with a 21mm. You'll need two 18mm wrenches to remove the subframe side front lower control arm, and it's also an 18 on the tension strut. The tension strut came out easily, while the lower control arm needed some negotiating with a pry bar to liberate it from the subframe. The kit from FCP Euro also comes with a new arm to connect to the headlight leveling sensor. Before torquing the arms, the wheels should be at ride height so that the bushings are held in place as they would be for driving. Torque specs for the hardware on these control arms will be down in the description as it varies depending on what grade of bolt you are installing. It is recommended to replace the subframe side bolts because they are torque plus angle bolt specifications. These arms improve turn-in and front-end feel by lengthening the front lower control arm to add about 0.75 degrees of negative camber. Before I could get in alignment, I drove the car for about 2 days and it drove absolutely awful due to a wicked amount of toe out totaling 3.2 degrees across the front. Because of this, I highly recommend you get in alignment after replacing these arms. After the alignment, the car feels great. The car feels happier to dive into the corner and feels more connected mid-corner. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below, and as always, have a good day.